This conference will now be recorded.
So in this session, we'll discuss the remaining pseudo classes. So I'll open our example, guys. Right, I'm opening our example. Right. So I'll run the project once. Yes. So all of you observe. Right. Now let's work with the remaining one, guys. What's the remaining one here? Right. Only child. Okay. Let's take the only child. Let's take the only child. Now all of you observe, guys. All of you observe here. I am taking the only child. Only, right? Only child, guys. I am taking here a pseudo class. Only child. Only child. Right. So fine. Now, so I'll run this one. I saved here, right? I saved this one. I am going here and refresh here, guys. See now, it is not applying, guys. That style is not matching anywhere here. That style is not matching, guys. Not matching anywhere. So what does it mean, guys? Here now, all of you observe one time. All of you observe one time here. Yes. So here, this is the right first container main parent, guys. All observe now. Right. This is the main parent first of all. Yes, this is the main parent, right? Main parent, guys. Okay, this is the main parent. In that main parent, right? That main parent, again, one more parent is there. Class one parent. This is the class two, guys, right? Class two, right? Class two. In the main parent, we have one H4 tag and H3 tag, div tag. Again, three H3 tags. Again, div, guys. In the class one parent, again, three H3 tags are there. And one H4 P3 tags are there, one H4 is there, and here also four paragraphs are there, one H4 tag, right? H4 tag, guys. But what class I am using now? What class I am using here? I am using only child, only child, right? Only child, guys. Now all of you observe. I'll take one more parent here. I'll take the one more parent. Just observe, guys. Now I'm taking the one more parent. I'll take here suppose a class 3, guys. Okay, this name class 3. Yes, I'll take here only one paragraph, guys. Only one paragraph. Okay, this is right paragraph in class 3. That's all. I'll observe now. I'm taking the new paragraph. Okay, I'm taking the new parent. New paragraph I have taken. Let me refresh here. Yes, guys. All of you can observe here. All of you can observe here. All of you can observe here. Right? This one came, right? Tell me now, guys. Now, why this one came? Why this one? Right? This paragraph is matched, guys. Why this paragraph is matched? Why not the remaining all? All of you give reply now. All of you reply, guys. All of you reply. all of you. So why this one matched, guys? Why this one matched? And this one is not part of the main parent, not part of the class 1 or class 2. This is the part of which one? Class 3, guys, right? Class 3. So if you observe here, I can take now, I can take here dot class 3, class 3. I'm taking a border, some 2 pixels border, right? Let's take suppose green color, then solid line, okay? Solid line. We save this one. Let's go there, refresh here. So all of you observe class 3, right? I applied class 3. Yes. Now, now all of you observe. Yes, guys. Okay. It came now. So what happened, guys? Here, why this one? Why this one only is matched? Because I want only child. Means the paragraph must be the only child in the division, guys. The parent. The paragraph must be the only one child in the parent, guys. Okay, in the parent. Now if you observe here, now let's take the main parent, guys. I'm taking the main parent. So I'm taking the main parent. In the main parent, guys, right? In this main parent, okay, we have so many tags, right? So many tags are there, so many paragraphs, right? See, this is the paragraph is there. Like these all paragraphs are there. That's in the class 1 also, sorry, the class 1 also again so many paragraphs are there, right? But the class 1, class 2, the class 3 we have the only one, right? Only one child is there. In class 3 we have only one child, guys, right? Only one child, right? Only child. Suppose I am taking the same one for H3, guys. I'm taking the same one for H3, guys. Okay, for H3, all of right. Now let us see here. I'm taking the only H3. Let's go there and refresh here. Now all of you observe. All of you observe here. It's not coming anyone again. Even the class 3 paragraph also is not matched, guys. Is not matched here. Why? Because I'm checking for H1. I'm looking for H3. The H3 again only one child in that parent, guys. The H3 must be the only one child in the parent, right? In the parent. Yes. Let me check the class. In the class 1, we have taken the H4. Here H4 is the right H4 tags. Okay, let me take the H4, guys. I'll work with H4. At H4, yes, I save this one. Right, this one saved. Let's go there and refresh here. Now all of you observe refreshed here, right? No result here. Why? Because the main division, the main parent, along with H4, remaining so many other child, right? Child elements are there along with H4. Compared to the class 1 parent, the class 1 parent again along with H4, again there are some other paragraphs are there. And come to the class 2 parent, right? Class 2 parent, the class 2 parent again along with H4, there are some other paragraph tags are there, right? For example, guys, I remove this paragraph tags. I remove those paragraph tags. All of you observe here. Yes. Now in the class 2, we have the only one H4, right? Only one H4, guys, in the class 2. Let's go there. Let me refresh here. Yes. Now all of you observe, guys. All of you observe. So right, this is the right main parent, guys. Yeah, what happened? This one keyboard. Yes. Okay. So this is the right main parent. Right, main parent. In that one, this is the class 1 parent. Then class 2 parent. Then right class 3 parent, guys. The class 1 parent along with H4, there are some other elements are there. In the class main container along with H4, again there are some other elements are there. In class 2, only one H4, only H4 is there. No other elements, guys. One H4, only one H4 is there. Now the question is if you have the two H4 elements, then what happens now? Is it possible? I am taking now two H4 elements, guys. Right? Suppose this is also H4 element like this. Now what will happen? This time does it select this first H4 or both H4 elements? Nothing will select. Nothing will select. Let's go there and refresh here. See guys, right? Not possible. Not selected. Means it required only one H4 in the parent, guys. No other H4s. No other any other element, guys. All of right. It required only one H4. Only one H4. That's all. Right? If I take the P, then checking for the parent which contains only one P, one paragraph, guys. Now it check for the parent the division which contains only one P element. Only one P element, guys. Not more than P, one P, or not any other elements. Not any other elements. Now all of you observe. Yes, we can see right here in this parent only one paragraph is there. Now all of you is clear. All of you is clear now. Only child. All of you is clear. The only child, guys. All of let me know. Everybody is clear, right? Only child. Yes, guys. Okay, that's fine. Along with only child, one more type is there, guys. Right? One more type is there. One more type is there. Only half type, guys. Only half type. Only half type. Observe, guys. Here the names are. See here only child, right? Only child is there, and only of type. Only of type, guys. Only child. Only of type. Only of type. Of type. Right? Let us see now. Let us see, guys. Okay. Right. So I'm taking the paragraph. We'll take here only of type, right, guys? Of type. Only of type. That's all. Right? Only of type, guys. Okay. I save this one now. Let's go there. Let me refresh here. Let me refresh here. Yes, guys. Now, what is happening, guys? Again, this one will selecting, right? Why, guys? Why? All of you observe now. What's the class name I'm using here? I'm using the only of type, right? Only of type. Only of type. The class 3 paragraph is selecting, right? Now, what do I do? What do I do? The same class 3, I am going to take one more paragraph, guys. Let us see now. I am taking now one more paragraph. All of you observe here. This is also a paragraph in which one? Class 3, guys. Okay, class 3. Now again, all of you analyze this one. All of you observe here. Let's go there. Let's refresh here. Let's refresh here. Again, guys, what happened here? What happened, guys? Here it is not selected, guys. Right? Not selected. Why? Why? Tell me, all of you. So what is the reason? So what you are taking here? Only of type, right? Only of type, guys. Only of type. Okay. Only of type. But so here in the class 3, we have taken the two paragraphs. Only two paragraphs only. If you take the one paragraph, that is matching, right? But you take the two paragraphs, that is not matching, guys. Any reason, all of you? Any reason here? Any reason, all of you? Suppose in class 3 and class 2, let's take the paragraph. Okay, paragraph. This is suppose, okay, paragraph, guys. This is the paragraph in class 2, right? Class 2. Now all of you observe here. Again, all of you observe here. Now what happened here? All of you observe now. All of you observe here. All of you. Again selecting, guys. Now it is selecting again now. All of you, can you get any new what you call new thinking here? So in the previous case only one child, but now only of type. Only of type. So in this class 2, class 2, so we have the two H3 elements are there. two H3 elements are there, these two H4 elements, right? And paragraph is there, that is selecting. But in class 3, both are paragraphs only and not selecting, guys, not selecting, not selecting. Now, from this one, can I derive any point, guys, here? Can you say any point? All of you, tell me now. Suppose, if I take the one more paragraph, what happens now? Does it select both or only first paragraph here? What happens otherwise, right? If I take the one more paragraph here, then what will happen now? This is right. This is also new paragraph, something like this, guys. Then what will happen? You can tell me now. Does it select this both or not? Does it select this both paragraphs or not? Or only the first one, or nothing will select here? Nothing will select, guys. Now I save this one, right? I am going here. I refresh here, right? Let's go here. Refresh, guys. See again, not selecting here. All of clear. So then tell me, guys, now what is happening here? What is happening here? Right. So this means in the entire family, in the entire family, there must be a only one paragraph, and the remaining can be any elements, guys. In this entire parent, only one paragraph must be there, and remaining also can be possible. Remaining elements also possible. All of right. All of observe here. All of observe here. So yes. Now we are taking two things, right? What's first one, guys? Only, right? Only one child. Only child, right? Only child. What does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean? Right? The family, right, guys? The family, right? The parent, okay? That family must have that family, okay? Must have only one element, an element. That also which one, guys? That also paragraph. That also P element, guys. That's what which where in the only child of P, right? This is the P only child. What does it mean? What does it mean here? That parent must contain only one, right? Only one element. That also must be the parent paragraph. Okay, paragraph. Now, if you take this one, guys, current one, what is one here? Only of type, right? Only of type. Only of type. What does it mean here? What does it mean, guys? Here, the family. Okay, the family, guys. Family uh, can have different n number of elements, different n number of elements, but only one paragraph, guys. Only one paragraph, one paragraph, one paragraph. All of you use it right or wrong? Only one paragraph. In both the cases, here also, guys, here also only one paragraph, right? Only one paragraph, only one paragraph. Here also, right? Only one paragraph, right? Only one paragraph, guys. Only paragraph. The difference is here other elements, no, guys, no other elements, no other elements. But here we can have other elements, guys. We can have other elements, other elements possible here, guys. That is the difference. All of clear, right? All of clear. All of clear. So here only, right? Only one paragraph in entire family. Only one paragraph. No other paragraphs. No other elements also. But in this family, only one paragraph. Only one paragraph, and we can have remaining other elements, guys. Remaining other elements possible. Now, all of is this clear for everyone? All of you, is this clear for everyone? All of you, is this clear, right? Okay. Yes, guys. Suppose now what do I do here? What do I do now? Now all of you observe. From class 2, I'm deleting this one. Okay. Yes, guys. Observe all of you, class 2, observe. Class 2, observe here. I am deleting the H4. Now we have only one H4, only one paragraph, right? One paragraph, guys. Now I am going here. I am taking now H4, for example. I am taking now H4, guys. H4, right? H4. Now check it. Check the all parent levels, guys. All parents, all families level. All right. Now let me refresh here. Yes, guys. Now all of you observe. Why this all selected, guys, here? All of you observe now how all this came. Yes, guys. Now in the main parent level, guys, first of all, in the main parent level, now all of you observe, guys, here. In the main parent level, this is the right one paragraph, right? One paragraph, guys. This is not paragraph, right? This is not paragraph. This is sorry, guys, wrong. So I have taken H4, guys. We have taken H4. Okay. And here this is the only H4, guys, right? This is the only H4. Okay. What this one? This is the paragraph, right? And this is all which one? It's the division. It's the division, guys, right? Division. And again here paragraph, right? Paragraph. Again here paragraph. Again here paragraph. And this one which one? Division. And again this also division. This all I'm taking in respect of the main parent, guys. The main parent. Now how many H4s are there? Only one H4 is there, but totally different elements are there, guys. Different elements are there. Out of all, only one H4. That's why it is selected, guys. It is selected. Right. Coming to the class 1. Class 1. The class 1. This is the H4, right? This is the H4, guys. It's H4, and these all are the which one? These all are the paragraph tags. That's why it is selected, guys, here. Coming to the class 3, sorry, class 2, right? Class 2. Here, this is the which one? H4. This is the H4, and this is the which one? Paragraph. So only one H4, right? So it is selected, guys, here. Coming to the class 3. In the class 3, so two elements are there, but these are the both paragraphs. No H4, guys. No H4. There's no H4, guys. All of you clear this one now? All of clear, guys? Only of type means in that entire family, only one H4 must be there, and remaining we can have any other number of elements, guys. Only one H4. That's the only of type. If I take the only child, means in the entire family, only one H4. No other H4s, no other elements also. Only one H4, guys. Only one H4, that's all. Right? Yes, guys, I'll give one simple example. Guys, okay? By taking these two, I'll give one simple example, guys. Just, yes. Now, all of you observe. Generally, guys, I'll take a simple example, observe here. I'll take two countries, right? Two countries. One is, I'll take the China, guys, here. Okay, I'll take the China. The other one will take the India, guys. India, right? India. Fine. So in India, what is the rule, guys? Actually, right? Only one, guys. Only one child. Actually, one or none, right? They follow one or none, guys. Actually, one or none. Means they need only one kid. That's all, guys. They need only one kid in the entire family. Only one kid, guys. Only one kid they need. There are some rules, right? We don't need all the rules. The false is only one kid, right? Or one or none, right? That is the this one, guys. Entire family only one kid, only one. In India, what we think, guys? In India, we think at least one son, guys, required. They, even though they have a number of girls, but they need always what they think. We need at least one son, guys. At least one son, and we can have, right, a number of daughters, guys, a number of girls. All of, right. Generally, guys, the people think like the main villages, guys. I am saying in villages, even though 4 girls are there, 5 girls are there, but waiting for the one son. Waiting for the one son, guys. Am I right, all of you? Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong here? In India, more I am talking about villages, guys. Villages, okay. Even though they have the 2 girls, they have 3 girls, they have 4 girls, 10 girls, but they're waiting for at least one son, guys. At least one son, right? So here, what happened, guys? Now here only one, right? Only one, maybe boy or girl, but here one boy and n number of girls, guys. The entire family, one boy must required, and if you have two girls or three girls also, they will not bother if they have the one boy, right? So like this, guys. Simple example. Which one now? This one, guys. What is the pseudo class name here? Tell me now. What pseudo class name here? Right, only child, guys, right? Only child. This is the only child pseudo class. Okay, and what pseudo class name for India? Right, yes, guys. Okay, so only of type, guys. Only of type. Only of type. All of you know, is it clear, all of you? Is it clear the difference between only child, only of type? Only of type, guys. Okay, right, that is clear, right? Next one, guys. Next one, let's go with the remaining simple, guys, right? First of type, last of type, right? First of type, last of type. Yes. Now coming here, I am taking now first, right? First of type. Okay, first of type, right? First of type, guys. Okay, first of type I'm taking there. uh, for paragraph. Okay, for paragraph, guys. For paragraph I'm taking the, okay, first of type. Right. So I'll save this one, guys. First of all, I'll save this one. Let's go there. Let me refresh here now. So all of you tell me now what happened here. What happened here, guys? Tell me now. Very simple, guys. This is very simple. No logic behind it. Very simple logic here. I'm taking the first of type, guys. First of type. First of type, guys. So here observe now, suppose if I take the any number, for example, taking the 2, is it possible, guys? Let us see now. Let us see here. No, guys. Only doesn't take the any number, only first of type or last of type, guys. Okay. Yes, now no numbering here. Then first of type. First of type, guys. Means what does it mean here? What does it mean here? It will take the first paragraph in the parent, guys, in the family. That's all. It will take the first paragraph, guys. First paragraph. That first paragraph can be the first line, or can be the second line, or can be anywhere, guys. In that family, in the order wise, it takes the first paragraph, right? Suppose if you see here in the main family, the right in the main family, guys, the main family, yes, this is the right main parent. Okay, in this one, this first line not a paragraph, and the second line paragraph is there. It is selected. That's all. Even the remaining also paragraphs, guys, of the same family, but they are not taking. They are taking the first paragraph only. So in the main class, in the main parent, it is selected. Coming to the class one parent, here the first line not paragraph. Yes, this is the paragraph. First paragraph, take this one enough. Coming to the next class here, right here the first line not a paragraph, right? Not paragraph, but here next paragraph is there. And coming here, the first line paragraph only, that is taken, guys, here. That is taken here, right? Means first paragraph in every family, guys, in every family. Okay. Now, now all of you observe. Just I remove this line, guys. I remove this paragraph. Where is that one? Yes. Now tell me, guys. Now what is the result? If I remove this one, right? I save this one. I save this one. I'll refresh here. If I refresh here, then what will be the output, guys? What will be selected? What elements will select, guys? All of you. Which one? All of you are right. Just I refresh this one. Now observe, guys. Right? Observe here. Now observe. Right? This is selected, guys. Why? This is the first paragraph in the family, guys. This is the first paragraph in the family. Right? So, guys, here very simple. Observe, guys. Now observe here. Suppose, guys, right? In the family, there are some. Okay, there are. Just imagine now five members are there, guys. Okay, in the family, just observe, guys. Now 5 members are there. The first one is the girl, guys. Okay, first girl. Then boy. Okay, boy one. Then next girl, second girl, guys. Then again third girl, for example. Then last boy, guys. Suppose like this. What's the boy number 2? For example, guys. For example, I'm taking here. In the family, 3 girls, 2 boys are there. Okay, 2 girls, sorry, 3 girls, 2 boys, right? 2 boys, guys. 2 boys are there, right? So generally, guys, right, when the family increase, right, when they grown up, right, then the family, generally, guys, give the priority for whom mainly, guys, here to take the responsibility of the family. The family given the responsibility for who mainly, first of all, initially, guys. So the family will give the responsibility for girl one or for boy one, guys. In the otherwise, first girl is there. Otherwise, first girl born, first of all. Otherwise, girl born. But generally, guys, I'm talking about village mentality, guys. The village people, how they like that. I'm talking, guys. Okay, don't take me wrong. Okay, generally in the villages, how they follow. I'm saying the that example, guys. All are equal. Everybody is equal. That we know. But in villages, the farmers, right, our parents, they think like this because girl cannot go outside, girl cannot maintain, right, girl cannot do all those things. That's why what they do, even though the girl is the first one, but guys, right, they choose the boy, first boy, to take the family responsibilities, to go outside, to bring the which one, daily wages, all those things, guys, to work there, to get the money, like that. They choose which one? They choose the boy one, guys, right? They choose the boy one. Okay, boy one, guys, right? Now slowly what happens here, right? Girls get married, they go to in-laws family, they go to in-laws family, they go to in-laws family, guys. All of clear, right? So what's the class name? What's the class name here? First of type, guys. Now choosing the boy one to take the family responsibility is the which one? Is the which class here? First, right? First of type, guys. First of type. First of type is the which one? Class name, right? Class name, guys, because they're choosing the boy one, the right to take the family responsibilities. Okay, but guys, right? Okay, fine. Girls got married. They right. They go to the in-laws family. That's fine, right? Now, guys, both boy one and boy two left here. They got married. And now they want distribute the properties to both the people, guys. They want distribute the properties to both the people. At that time, they give preference to whom? Boy one or boy two, guys. While sharing the properties, right? They give preference to boy one or boy two. They give both preference, but while sharing the properties, guys, they give preference to both. Yes, guys. Okay. Fine. They give, see, guys, while sharing the properties, they give preference to both, guys. Both. There's no doubt in that one. But what happens? Suppose, guys, there are some lands are there. There are some lands, guys. Okay, some lands are there, right? Some lands are there, right? Like some lands are there. Now, first of all, see here, 4 lands are there, right? Lands are there. Like suppose this is the one, this is the two, this is the three, this is the four, right? 4, guys. Now, what they do, the people first of all ask the boy two choose the any 2 lands, choose the any 2 lands, guys. That's what happening in the villages. While sharing the properties, villages they give the smaller one, the younger one, the preference. Choose the any 2 properties. Now the boy two, the least one, the small one choose the suppose 3 and 4 properties. The remaining properties taken by whom? Taken by the boy one. Sharing is equal, guys. Sharing is equal, no doubt in that one. But choosing done by first of all whom? By the boy too, guys. Is it right or wrong, all of you? Is it right or wrong? Sharing is common, guys. No difference the sharing. Equal parts only. But while choosing, so they give preference to small one, right? Small one. Out of four properties, choose any two properties. So then the boy two, we select for example third, fourth places. He likes these two. Then automatically remain two goes to whom? Go to the boy one, guys. Means while sharing the properties, preference to going to whom? Boy 2, right? Boy 2. Then that is the which one? Last of type, guys. Last of type. Last of last of type, guys. Last of type. So first of type, last of type. Okay. See this equality, not equality. That all depends upon their family, guys. Okay, depends upon that family properties, about the jobs. This all depends, guys. In the detail you can't go. Just I'm saying some rough example, guys. Okay. So suppose if boy one doing a job and boy to no job, then they give more properties to boy two commonly. These all the common things in every family. But I'm saying general, guys. I'm saying generally here. All of you are clear this one, right? So first of type means giving responsibilities of the family initially. Last of type means giving a chance to him to take the which one to choose the properties, guys. So this is what happening in all villages, almost all villages, and in my hometown also same thing happening, guys. Okay, right. Now I am going to the last of type, guys. Now I'm taking the last of type. You give me reply, guys. I'm taking the last of type. Okay, last of type. Save this one. Right. If I refresh here, then what is the output, guys? All of you. The last of type in every family take the last child. In every family take the last child. Go to every family, take the last child, guys. Last child. Yes. Now let me refresh here. Yes, guys. In every family, we take the last one, guys. Now see about the main parent, guys. Okay, see about the main parent, main family. In that one, see this is not a paragraph, right? This is not a paragraph. It's a division, right? It's a division, guys. Not a paragraph. Next, this is the paragraph. Okay, first paragraph. This is the second paragraph. Then third paragraph, guys. Again, this is the division. This is division. Now, last of type, right? Last of type means taking the last one in the family. Yes, this is the last paragraph in the family, guys. Last paragraph in the family. Okay, right. Next one, going to the class one, right? Class one family here. In this one, again, right? See, this is not a paragraph, paragraph. But from the ending onwards, you see what is the first paragraph from ending onwards, guys. Now this is the paragraph, last paragraph, and in class two also, this is the last one. In class 3 also, this is the last one, guys. Last one. So first of type, last of type. So first of type means the family, the first paragraph. Last of type means in the family, the last paragraph. You can have one paragraph, a number of paragraphs, or a number of different types of elements. Also, no issues. So all of you now, is it clear? This first of type, last of type, all of you. Sir, I want take entire family, sir. I want take over entire family. Then, guys, for that one, we have normal, right? A grouping selector is there. I want entire family, sir. Then what do we have? We have the grouping selector, guys. Star. Take the star. Entire family will come, guys. Okay. So observe now. I'll take here star, guys. Right? I'll take the star here. Right? Yes. Right? Grouping selector. I am grouping all. Right? Yes. Let's go there. Let me refresh here. Yes. Entire family came, guys. Entire family came. Right. Fine. So fine, guys. Right. These all about which one pseudo classes, and guys, and yeah. Still we have 10 minutes time. Now all of you observe. All of you observe. Yes, yes. Coming to that point only. Sorry, guys. The star is not grouping, right? The star is a not grouping. Sorry, this is universal, guys. Okay, I forgot. This is a universal. Okay, universal. And next one. What is there, guys? Here, what is there? Empty, right? Empty, guys. One more is there. Empty. For example, guys, in class 1, I'm taking the one empty paragraph like this. Just imagine, right? Empty paragraph. Nothing is there, guys. Okay. Nothing is there. Let us see now empty paragraph. Okay. Empty paragraph, guys, here. Now, 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 let's go there. Let's go there. Let us see now. Let us see here. What is there? Empty, guys, right? Empty. For empty, we can't take the color, right? Because text is not there. Now what do I do? I'll take the, suppose, guys, background color. Background color. Let's take, for example, let's take now suppose green, guys. Okay, I take the background color green now, right? So fine. Now let us see now. I save this one, guys. Let's go to the this one. Yes. So all of you observe where is taking that one in the class 1, right? In the class 1. So after 3, 4, we are taking the empty one, right? So guys, here I'll take the some styles also, guys. What styles will take here? Some height and width. I'll take some width, suppose 100 pixels, and I'll take the height also. Height also will take, guys, here. Suppose 20 pixels. Okay, 20 pixels. I'm taking the height also. Let's go there. Let me refresh here. Right now, all of you observe. All of you observe here. So empty, right? Empty paragraph is there. I'm taking the empty paragraph. Right. Oh, I think here we're taking that 2 times, right? Let's go there. Let's refresh here, guys. Now all of you observe. Tell me, guys, now what happened here. All of you, what happened here? Tell me now what is happening here, guys. All of let me know. So I have taken the empty, but not getting, guys, here. Not getting here. Right. I think, do we take the function brackets here? Let me check, guys. Okay. Let me check. Let's go there. Let's refresh here. Oh, sorry, guys. I clicked Control S on this file. Mm, So all of you observe here, guys. Now observe here. I am taking the empty. P dot empty. I'll do one thing, guys. Use other class for width and height. Yes, guys. Let us try now. Let us try here. I think, guys. Right. I am taking the P. Right. Let me remove the P, guys. Let me remove the P. Let me remove the P here. Right. Remove the P also. Right. So actually here, guys, right, that comes where in the class, right, here. it should come here, right? We are taking the div container, let me remove the brackets here. The container, whatever the empty are there, that will take, right? So let me restart this one, guys, okay? Yes, I open this one. Right? So then what's the problem here? So what does it mean? In the container, right? In the container, if any empty tag is there, for that one, this will apply, guys. This will apply, right? This will apply, but not getting here, right? But not getting here, guys. Okay. Do container paragraph, right? Paragraph. Yes, guys. Okay. Allah observe what happened here. So we should not take the space, guys. Without space, we should take here, right? So yes, now we can increase, right? This width, height, we can all increase, guys. Let's take suppose 500, right? 500. I refresh this one. See, guys. Allah, right? If any empty is there, on that empty, we're applying these things, guys. If any in the container, in the family, any empty tag is there. Suppose, guys, I'll take this H4. Let us see now. I'll take the H4, okay? I'll take the H4. H4, let us see now. Is it possible for H4 also or not? Yes, let's go there and refresh here. Yes, guys. All of right. So what is happening here? In the family, if any empty tag is there, maybe H4 or if any tag is there, then guys, right, selecting that one, applying that style, guys. Applying the style. Applying the style, guys. Okay. Now all this clear, right? All of you, this all clear. All of this is clear, right? Everybody let me know once. All of you let me know once. All of you. Yes, guys. And just give me 5 minutes time, guys. Just 5 minutes time. Okay, 5 minutes time, guys. Still, there are few things are there about the links, guys. About the links, right? Just guys, those are important, guys. Those are important. Just to give me a little bit time. So this first one, guys, I'm taking the first one. Just some A tag, okay? And take first one A tag, some H reference. Okay, H reference, guys. H reference. Well, take something dummy, okay? Some dummy, guys. That's all. I'm taking the first one, okay, anchor tag, guys. Okay, anchor tag, because I'm going to work with anchor tag now. The first one, right? Anchor tag, guys. Only first one, only, guys. The first one is which one, right? Anchor tag. This one, guys. Okay. Or else, 1 second, guys. Okay, 1 second. No? I'll take somewhere, guys. Okay, or else. This all not required, guys. Let me remove this all. Let me remove that all, right? Just taking one container, right? One container. That's fine. All classes are not there. I remove this all. Yes. Those all are available, also no problem, guys. No problem. But I'm taking the separate one. So now what do I do here in this container? I'm taking the one A tag, guys. Okay, A tag. I'll take just please click here or click here. Something, guys. That's all. That's enough. That's enough. Let's go there. Let me refresh here. Yes, guys. Great. What is there here? Click here, right? Click here is there, guys. So click here is there. Now all of you observe. I am going to apply the styles, guys. Okay. Apply the styles. Now all of you observe, guys, here. Yes. I am taking now A, right? A. I'm taking here A tag. On the A tag, I'll take the color. Suppose the green, guys. Okay. I'm taking the green. All of you observe now. I take the green, right? Green. Now all of you observe. sorry guys, we should not take the inside of this one, right? So I'm taking the A tag, right? In the A tag, I'm taking the color. What's the color? I'm taking the green, guys. Okay, green. Save this one. Let's go there. Refresh here. Now all of you can observe, guys. Now you got the green color. All of you observe here. You see the green color here. All of you. All of you see the green color, right? Green color, guys. Yes, green color came. Okay. So fine, guys. Here there are some again pseudo classes, guys. There are some pseudo classes about the link. First one is the link, guys. First one class is the link. Link, right? Link. Let us see now what is the link. What is the link here? I'll take now a link, guys. A link. A link. Now I'm taking the color. For example, color. Let's take the red, guys. Okay, red. I take the red, guys. Okay, I'm taking the red. I take here now all of observe. All of observe here. I take the one more a tag. Okay, let's take here or else nth something, guys. Okay, website like this, and let's go here something YouTube nth like this. I'll take the last one also, guys. I'll take the last one also. One more a tag. We'll take here Facebook. Okay, I'm taking now Facebook, guys. I'm taking here, right? Facebook, something like this. That's all, right? I'm taking three things, guys. Okay, I'm taking here. All coming in single lane, right? All coming in single lane, guys, because you are taking the container, right? Remove the container also. Remove that one also. Yes. Can you get in the separate lines or not? No. Same line came, right, guys? Because these all are not block level tags, guys, right? As we know that these all are not block level tags. So what do I do? What do I do? I'll take the one break, guys, here. I'll take the break. I'll take the one more break here. One more break like this. Let's go there and refresh here. Yes, guys. Okay, that's fine. Now all of you observe, all of you observe. See, by default all which color, guys, here, which color is there? Red color is there, guys. Red color is there. If you don't take the link, all observe now, by default if you don't take this one, then what is the default color, guys, here? What color I given? All of see the difference. Yeah, which one? Which one is there, guys, here? Yeah, which one is there? Green color, guys, right? Green color. Yeah, green color, guys. Now I'm taking one pseudo class for this A, one pseudo class for this A, one pseudo class link, guys, link. Now I take here color, suppose red, guys. I'm taking the red. You can take anyone, red or yellow, anyone, guys. Okay, anyone you can take here, yellow. Then update here. Now what happens here? All links will become the yellow, guys. See, all links become the yellow. All of right, yellow. Okay, so what's the class name here? Link class. Okay, link class, guys. Now I click on this one, guys, for example, right? Now again, what came here again? All of you, what came now? What came here again? Green came, right? Again, refresh here, right? So green came, right? Green came, guys, here. Okay, if I refresh here, all of you observe, all of you the links, right? The links, guys. Click on this one now. So what is happening here? Nothing is happening, guys. When nothing happening, because behind this one now, what is taken here? So dummy hash is taken, right? Some dummy hash is taken, But what's default color again? What is default color, guys, here? Again, green came, right? Green came, guys. So I close this one. I close this one. I run again. All of you observe. All of you observe here. Yes. Again, what you got here, guys? What you got here? Again, red, green. What is there, right? Again, what is there, guys, here? Red, green is there, right? Green, guys, green is there, right? Suppose for this one, now I'm going to take one more, guys. A visited, guys, right? Visited, a visited, right? For visited, I'll take now color. I'll take the color. For example, let's take here pink, guys. I'll take the pink color. I take the pink. For which one? For visited. What is the meaning of visited? Let me refresh once here. All of observe now, right? All of observe here. Okay. So I visited, guys, right? I clicked already here. I clicked already here. See, when I click here, what does it mean, guys? They are visited. When I click here, means they are visited, guys. They are visited. They are visited, guys. Okay. Suppose I remove this class. I remove this class. Means I am not talking about visited. Then what is the, guys, here? Default green is there. Default green, guys, right? When I visit, I'm taking, if I visit, then I want to get the pink color. I want to get the pink color. Yes, pink came. Why pink came here? Because I clicked already on this one. Means I visited, guys. I visited already. All of right, I visited already. Okay, so like this, guys, color link is there, right? Link is there, visited is there, and one more is there. A colon a hover, guys. Okay, hover, right? For this one, let us see what is the meaning of hover. Let's take some background color for this one, guys. I take the background color like a red, guys. Red. I'm taking the for hover. What does it mean? What does it mean? Now all of you observe. See, you can observe, guys, right? When I keep the cursor there, then what is coming here? Background color. It is coming. Hover means if I move the cursor, like this, guys. Now all of you observe here. All of you observe now. All of you observe, guys, here. This is the hover. So by default, right? So the default one green for default, right? Then if the link is there, for every link yellow. If you visited that one, if you click on that one, that becomes visited. Then if I move the cursor on that one, then the displays background color red, guys. Background color red, right? So all of you are clear, or can I explain one more example, guys? All of you are clear, or okay? Right, guys, right? So fine. We stop it now, guys. We stop it now. These all are the guys pseudo classes. These all are the pseudo classes, right? Fine, guys. Next class we will go with another topic, guys. Another topic, right? So yes, thanks so much, all of you. All right. Tomorrow, same time, guys, same link. Thank you, all of you. Bye.